the coming forth learning this skill. Right now I have kept two stations. Akshat is standing just behind this two small cones, and I am standing behind this two cones. In between here, near about 6 to 7 yard distance, so that because we wanted to strengthen this skill with more accuracy, and we have to develop this skill thoroughly. We have to learn this. For that, we wanted to make this skill more appropriate. Right now you see I am passing this ball, and it is going just in between these two small markers, small cones, and right now Akshat will receive, and now Akshat is giving pass, so it's good. Anyhow, slight it is going diagonal, but I want that the pass should come directly towards my place, the line of the ball. That is most important. You have to stand properly, take a good approach and pass it. And after the pass, your leg should go forward and upward. That is most important part. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. You can see the ball directly coming towards my leg, toward my place, so that it is very much easy to receive, and I can do wonders if I am receiving a very good pass from my teammates. So passing itself, this push pass having a very good importance when you are standing nearer to your teammates in between 5 yards to 25 yards. So it's a good one. Right now he is good in right leg. Let me see. He can do with your left leg only. Left leg should come here, so the ball will come directly. No problem, because he is not familiar with left leg, so he is not good. He is not good in that pass, so no problem. I want he should do this repeatedly, number of times, so that he can make it accuracy perfect. Go ahead, Akshat. Don't make a approach side. You come directly. No need. Directly. You come directly. Same way. The way you have used in your right leg. Okay, do it. Good. No problem. It should very much smooth. It should go very much smooth when you will do a very good follow through. You see, now your follow through is going this side, so it is not coming in between this cone. So it is very much important for learning this skill by using the proper approach, proper follow through, and your eye should be on the ball while you are executing. That is most important part. One last time. Very good. This time he did better, and I feel right now we have received the ball. Now me and Akshat will do this practice without receiving. Continuously we will hit, so that the number of passes will be more without breaking much time. So our learning will be do the follow through properly. The leg should come, left leg. Do the left leg. Good one. Yeah, no problem. This is the way. You cannot going to be perfect all the times. These types of mistakes made by very good professional players also, because they are playing under pressure, and at that time how they control their mind, how they utilizing the skill, that is important. So here he is learning. So if he making mistakes, no problem, because every mistake gives a better results in his learning. Very good. Now I want him to do this movement with a circulatory one. So he will just do this movement with a circulation. Now again we wanted the player should move around in different places during the match, and we feel ki in every place wherever he go, from there he have to coordinate with his player, he has to connect with his teammates. So he require a very good perfection. So we see the next drill where Akshat will pass me from different places. He will make a good circulation, and within that running the ball, the running, he will control the ball and he will pass me, good one, receive one. So two touch, one receive, one pass, one receive, one pass, very good, one receive, one pass, very good, come on, very good, come, receive, very good, come on, good one. Now he is good in right leg, so now he will go for a 2 rotation in left, slide slowly you give, no problem, receive and yes, very good follow through, it should come to me, very good, come, very good, come, very good, it's good. Now you can see he is doing somewhat because he is not familiar with left leg, but anyhow he is doing very good passes with his left leg. So slowly and gradually he can increase and improve his number of accurate pass during the practice session. So it's fine, it's very fine. So in this way, in this small session, I want every child, every student who wanted to learn football, he should learn the passing, because passing really it have a very much important at the time of match. He can connect with all the players, and whenever the players are nearby you, and you can support with a very good push pass. So I request everybody to do the practice properly. Thank you.